This station is currently participating in a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. The broadcasters in your area, in cooperation with local officials, have developed this system to keep you informed. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, or any other weather event, you would have instructed where to tune in your area for local details. This station serves all of YouTube, and this concludes this test of the emergency alert system on this MJ the Man 23 channel. The station may now resume normal broadcasting, and have a nice day.